Let's talk about our native land. Oh, about our motherland of Assam. Okay then. Tell me, what is the distance of Assam from east to west? You mean from Tinsukia to Dhuburi? It's nearly 725 kilometers. Correct. Then tell me, how many bridges are there on River Brahmaputra? Six bridges. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika Setu, Bogibil Bridge, Kolia Bhumura Bridge, Soraighat New, Soraighat Old, and Nornarayan Setu. Wow, that's a nice answer. Okay, now tell me, how many districts comes under Barak Valley? Only three districts: Kachar, Hailakandi, and mm, Karimgang. Fantastic. Can you name for Hill of Assam? Yes, sure. Patkai Hill, Mikir Hill, Haflong Hill, and Karbi Anglong Hill. Thank you. It is a nice conversation. Thank you.